Bye, baby.
Bye.
Have fun walking, baby.
Okay, it's time to prank Amira, guys.
Okay, guys, so we all know Amira has been pranking all of us. She got Charlie, she got me, she got Jamila. Paul, I think you got her already.
Yeah, I got her, but you know.
But it's my turn now. So I'm gonna make the slime. I got glue, I got the activator, and I think I'm gonna make jiggly slime. We better hurry before she comes back.
How long does she usually take?
I think she usually takes about 30 minutes, so I think we're good.
Well, unless it takes 30 minutes to make slime.
I don't know how long I'm gonna take to make slime. I'm not very good at it. Get it all out. By the way, guys, my name's Jeddah, so welcome to my channel. If you guys want to see more videos like this and more pranks, make sure to subscribe. Okay, so I put water and the glue and yeah, Amira doesn't even know I'm making a video today. So I think I'm really gonna get her.
I got you, Jay.
Thank you. You're so sweet, Paul. You just want to get Amira.
It's always fun to prank Amira.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm an expert at it.
Oh yeah, I know. So yeah, so now I'm gonna start pranking. I think I like pranking people, so you better watch out, Paul. You might be next.
No.
Yeah. Thank you.
I can help you.
You're so sweet. Well, actually, no, I don't. I think I'm just gonna keep pranking Amira. I would never prank you.
What does the wink mean?
It just means I would never prank you, and that let's prank Amira. That's a lot of activator.
Oh, that's right. We need to make it sticky, huh?
Oh no.
You should have asked Amira for help for her own slime.
I know, right?
That's what I did last time.
I should have told her that I was gonna prank you. What color should I make it, guys? What do you think, Paul?
I think you should make it her favorite color.
Blue. Pastel blue.
Pastel blue, yeah.
I think so. She's gonna be so excited, guys.
Why?
Alright, guys, I think I'm done with the slime. Turned out pretty cool. Look at the color. I think this is Amira's favorite color, isn't it?
I think so.
It's this blue, right, Paul?
Yes, I think so.
Yep. She'll be excited about the color. I don't know about the slime dumping on her, though. I think Amira should be coming back already. Should we go check, Paul?
Yes, I think we should go check. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go. Should I take the slime with me, though?
Yeah,
man,
just in case.
Heavy.
Let's go.
What should I do?
I don't know.
What do I do? Is she not here yet?
Maybe when she comes in the door?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Maybe I can hide over here, guys. Like right here. And when she opens the door, I'll just like run to her. And, oh man, but this is heavy. And she's so tall.
Yeah.
Maybe I should wait for her to sit down.
I think she's coming back.
What do I do? What do I do?
Is that her? Oh gosh, okay, you better make the decision quick.
I think right here.
Right here?
Yes. Or, what do I do? I don't know what to do.
I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna stay. Oh, hey, Amira.
Hey.
What's happening? What happened? Why didn't you do it?
Because I couldn't. She walked over. I couldn't do it.
Oh my gosh.
Can you go check what she's doing?
Okay, yeah, let me go check.
Yeah, I'll just hide right here.
Alright. Okay. What's you doing?
I don't know. I'm looking for something to eat.
Oh. Okay. You gonna eat something?
Yeah, maybe it's honeycomb. Were you guys making slime?
What? Oh, no, I don't know. I don't know what that's doing there.
Was Mom making slime? The phone's right here.
Oh, that's weird.
Where is Mom?
I don't know.
Mom?
She's calling my
She's sitting right here on I don't know what to do.
I can't come in from outside.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go open the door. Okay? And then you just come in.
Do I go from the back? I don't know what to do.
Yeah, just go from the back.
Okay, let me go from... Is she watching me? Is she sitting down? What is she doing? Okay,
she said she was gonna eat.
Let me go outside.
Okay.
Okay, be quiet, don't make noise.
Okay. I'll just go open the back door. That looks delicious. Just gonna open the door. It's I don't know, it's too hot in here. It's colder outside, so you know. Just gonna open. No, it's fine. It's colder outside. It's all good. It's all good. You have anything for me to eat?
There's more mangoes in the fridge.
Oh.
There's also kiwis. You gonna get anything to eat?
Oh yeah, I am. I just don't know what to get yet.
There's kiwis in the fridge.
Okay. What? What is happening? What is happening?
Where's your face?
That slime is amazing.
I made it just for you. It's your favorite color, Amira. Ha! Guys, I got her.
I felt something behind me. I was like, what the heck is that? Take my shoe off. Oh, my shoe.
I got you, Amira. How does it feel, Amira, huh?
I don't think I got you guys this hard. What the kind of slime is this?
I don't know. I don't know. She made amazing slime for
I
prank.
did. Look at it, guys. Look at it.
Look at her hair. It's all blue.
Yeah, Amira, you want to?
Whoa, that looks really cool.
Amira, take a selfie.
I would take a selfie for you. That looks really cool.
Here, let me put a little hat on you.
Did she just put more slime on me?
She did, yes. Well, you're not moving, so why not? Hey, I can join in.
Take my socks off.
There you go.
Look at this, guys.
How did you make this, Mom? Like, what did you do?
Here you go. Amira. No. Hey guys, so if you like this video, can you guys please give it 3 likes? Do you guys think I can get 3 likes?
Just kidding, yeah.
Paul, here you go, Paul.
No! Why me? I was just recording. Oh, you failed. You missed. Ha!
You want a hug, Paul?
Oh, no, that's okay.
Yeah, you should have a hug.
Not right now.
I'm gonna get you back, Mom.
Nobody can ever get anyone as good as I can, though.
Sure, Paul. Beat that, Paul.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, that's pretty good, honestly. Yeah.
Alright, guys, if you like this video, like I said, give thumbs up. Let's get 3 likes. I love you guys very much. Bye.